Alright, so I got two projects this morning. This Lakewood HV12 CP that I just serviced needs to be serviced again because something in the motor is making a grinding noise. It's not like bearing noise, it sounds like there's something in there that is rubbing against the rotor. It started doing it last night, so I'm going to turn it on and see if it does it again so you can hear it. You could probably hear that clicking noise when I first started it. It starts and stops. So I don't know what that is. About a minute ago, before I started recording the video, I tried to start it up on low and it actually stalled. It's not doing it now. I'm pretty sure the bearings are fine because it doesn't stop too quickly, but need to take it apart again and see what the hell's wrong with it. And then I'm going to be cleaning and servicing this Air King PL20P with the 2-speed General Electric motor. Here it is running again. You can hear it making that scraping noise. No clue what that is, but we're about to find out. I'm going to show you why I don't think it's the bearings. Let me turn it on real quick. You can see it takes a while to come to a stop, so I think the bearings are fine. Okay, so I just pulled the rotor out and I don't see anything right now that would be causing a rubbing sound. There's no scrape marks on the rotor. Washers wouldn't be doing it because I didn't touch those even. No wear marks on the motor shaft whatsoever. The bearings look fine. So yeah, I don't know what it's doing. It's very strange. Yeah, I'm gonna go get a flashlight and I'll be able to see it better. Okay, so I got the light in here. It could be the windings in back rubbing against it, but I doubt it. The ones in front don't seem to be hanging down too low or anything. I don't think it's contacting the stator because the bearings are nice and tight. They're not loose at all. So I'm going to take the stator out of here and turn it around and see what's going on in the back. Okay. Looking at the back doesn't really reveal much of anything. Let me push it a little further this way so you can see all of it. Yeah, I'm going to stick the rotor in there and see if it gets anywhere near any of these windings. I'm kind of confused right now as to why I would be doing this. I stuck the rotor in there to see if it would contact anything, and it didn't, so I don't know why it did that. Maybe there was something in it that fell out when I took it apart. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little piece of metal right there on the toolbox. I have no idea if that came from inside of here or where it came from, but yeah, I'm kind of at a loss right now. I'm going to just oil it again, put it back together, and see if it runs quietly. The motor is back together now. The bearings are aligned, so it's spinning nice and free. Of course, something had to go wrong. I stripped out the stupid hole where this screw goes in because I over-tightened it. All the rest are fine though. Now let's see what happens when we start it up. Did it a little bit at first. doesn't seem to be doing it as much, so that's good. And as I said before, there's no play in this bearing, so it's definitely not hitting the stator. So I'm just going to run it for a while. I'll probably leave it running while I service that fan, and we'll see if it starts making noise again.